I'm going to show you how to write a long-form blog post using only AI. This article will have valuable information, be written from a decent outline, and have keyword research performed before it writes the article. I'm also going to take you through some of the other features of this AI software and whether I like it or don't like it. I'll also take the content that was written through some of my favorite AI content detectors to see how it does. Let's jump into it. Click the link in the description to start using W.A.I.T. W.A.I.T stands for Webuters AI Tools. This is an all-in-one content creation solution to help you create high quality and engaging content with the help of AI-powered tools like the article writer, social media post writer, and more. So here you can add in your blog post title or what you want to write about. You can put the tone, creativity, and you can target keywords. From there, you can click generate keywords and it'll give you some more suggested keywords to add. Then you can click generate. After that, it'll create a blog post title for you based on your article. So you can pick one of these, or you can generate new ones, or you can write your own. Then it'll generate an outline for you. From this outline, you can add sections or edit any of the ones it's suggested. So I think these look pretty good. This is a good looking outline for this article. So I'm gonna go ahead and click write article. Then it writes the article section by section, and it allows you to take a look at it. If you want, you can rewrite each section, or you can rewrite the entire article. So here's the article. I'm gonna scroll through it so you can take a look. It's 2,500 words, and this is a good looking article. It has good tips for the article. It also has good sections with good headings. Here I did come across an issue with the text where it included a div tag. I believe this was supposed to be an H2, so that's something I would have to go through and edit myself. But otherwise, this is a good looking article, and I think it contains some good information for anyone that's searching for this. I also found that it had a few conclusions at the end of each of the sections, so that's something I also would have to go through and manually edit myself. It also has some tools for SEO. So here it has an SEO score, and it gives me a score of 20%. It also has my focus keywords and the keywords I was targeting. Here it has a keyword density analysis, and it shows the issues that it's finding with the SEO score. So keyword density is a bit of an outdated concept. It also has readability analysis, which I think is pretty good. So it gives readability and it gives you a score. Then it has sentiment analysis. And I think this is a really good feature as well. It shows whether the sentiment of the article is positive, neutral, or negative. And you can flip the switch here and it'll show you which of the sentences is showing as positive, neutral, and negative. So here I have a lot of positive sentences. It has a few neutral sentences, and then it has one sentence that it's showing is negative sentiment. Now let's take a look at the image generator. Just describe your image that you want, and then you can click a style: futurism, surrealism, realism. You can also pick colors. So it has complementary colors, monochromatic, warm, cool, earth tones, vintage. You can pick a mood: energetic, joyful, dreamy, nostalgic, dramatic. And then you can also pick the style of a classic painter for your image to be generated in. So I'm gonna generate a few images here so you can take a look at how well the image generation tool works. So here's the images it generated for me. These are based in the style of Monet, and these are some good looking paintings, but this wouldn't go very well for my article. here's some Leonardo da Vinci images. So the images are good, but not great if you don't want paintings in your article. Now I'm going to take some of the text that was written with the AI writer, and I'm going to put that through some of my favorite AI content detection tools. Scribble shows that there's 0% chance that this text was generated by AI. This is one of the more average AI content detectors, and it's also powered by Turnitin. So if it passes this AI content detection, it means that it'll pass most of the average content detectors out there. Now let's check another one. Content Detector says that this article may have AI sentences written, and it has a 70% probability of being written by AI. It's only marked a few sentences here as AI, so this is still a pretty good result from this AI content. Now let's check one of the more strict AI content detection tools, Content at Scale. Content at Scale says it's hard to tell if this was written by AI or not. Here it has the introduction as being flagged for possibly AI, but the next few paragraphs are being shown as human written. The first time I ran this test, it said it was likely written by human, so I'm gonna see if I can replicate that. So I'm gonna reload this test, and I'm also gonna take this introduction word out. So when I rerun the test, it says it passes as human written content. It shows the entire first paragraph as being written by human, but it doesn't show anything for the next couple of paragraphs. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to run this one more time to try to get a definitive answer. And here it says it's hard to tell once again. It still has that first paragraph as being written by AI, but it has the next 3 paragraphs being written by human. So I think this is a pretty good result for an AI test. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into the pros and cons of W.A.I.T and my overall opinion. Here's the pros. It writes decent content from good sections and headings, and it includes valuable information like tips and instructions, and it's also written from a good outline. The content it writes is good enough to pass the average AI content detector and left the most strict AI content detector unsure. It works really fast and it's pretty easy to use. Going from topic to target keywords to fully written article only took a few minutes at most. Here's the cons. The image generator doesn't work very well unless you want images that look like classical paintings. The SEO optimization tool works off outdated concepts like keyword density, making it tough to optimize the article after it's been written. Overall, W.A.I.T creates decent content from a good outline that can pass the average AI content detector. Click the link in the description to write an article using W.A.I.T now. Check out these other videos for AI software you should be using.